So this is a review of this laptop, which is a Lenovo e41-15. So this is the power button. It is a well laid keyboard, very lightweight laptop. And you can see all the different, these are the air vents, one VGA port, LAN port, one HDMI, this is a 3.0 USB, and on the second side there are two USB. So there are total 3 USB ports, out of which one is a USB 3.0 or DVD drive. I think this will be 14.0 screen. The advantage of this laptop is you can tilt it fully. So even if your kid tilt it forcefully, the screen will go right down. There is no thing that it will break the hinges. And it is written over here, it is a slim design, then 180-degree hinge, high-speed Wi-Fi and anti-glare display. It is written Lenovo. It has a top mounted camera. Then I will show you all the specifications. As you can see, it is a Windows 10 professional education version and having 4 GB RAM, 64-bit operating system, and it's a AMD A6 processor, 7th gen with Radeon R4 graphics, and it's a 2 GHz. Even more details you can see. If you go to device manager, you can see that it's I think it's a 500 GB hard drive, and it has Bluetooth and all the other things. Let me confirm about the hard disk. Yes, it's a 500 GB hard drive. It is 427 GB is the C partition and D is 24 GB. It's a 500 GB hard drive. So I've shown you all the specifications and all the other details of the laptop. If you want to buy the laptop, you can check the link in the description. Plus all the details are there. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.